I drove a Fiat Panda back in 1999, and I've sat on every bar stool from St. Clair's to Portentine. When I take a trip, I make it quick, foot down on the floor. It takes me through to places that I've never seen before. Yes, I'm the B-Road Bandit, I'm driving all day long, making my way to a country hall to sing my country songs. I'm flying round the B-Roads and I'm not coming back. Gonna find myself a country crowd and have the country crack. Often in the country, but sometimes in the town, you'll find me in the wagon, I'll be driving all year round. Whether in the mountains or down beside the sea, in a club or pub or country show, that's where you'll find me. When there's traffic up ahead or potholes down below, the council boys will put up signs to tell me to go slow. What they are not sure of is where I need to be, so try it loud and flat mat is how it's gonna be. Yes, I'm the B-Road Bandit, I'm driving all day long, making my way to a country hall to sing my country songs. I'm flying round the B-Roads and I'm not coming back. Gonna find myself a country crowd and have the country crack. Got it in? Here's a life of travel, yes, it's the life for me. Up and down and all around is where I want to be. Oh, I've been all over Wales, north, east, south and west. King of all the B-Roads boys, this life is the best. I might be out in England or up in Scotland too, but nothing beats the feeling when I'm coming home to you. There's warmth in the valleys, there's a welcome in the vale. No matter where I wander, boys, my heart is still in Wales. Yes, I'm the B-Road Bandit, I'm driving all day long, making my way to a country hall to sing my country songs. I'm flying round the B-Roads and I'm not coming back. Gonna find myself a country crowd and have the country crack. Yeah, find myself a country crowd and have the country crack. Cyhoeddiadau.